Sanjay Jha, you want to respond to that? Because, you know, here was the opposition making it out to be that this petition will corner the Modi government. We are going to go to the Supreme Court and object to the manner in which we believe agencies are being misused to target us. What does the Supreme Court say? Please come with specific instances. Don't come with a general observation. And politicians are not a separate class. If there is an arrest in a specific case which you believe involves a miscarriage of justice, go with that case. This is the problem the opposition faces. There's a credibility question now.
Rajdeep, I don't think there is any credibility question whatsoever. I think the only difference is that the Supreme Court has said, let the individual cases as they are at different stages of the court or investigation or prosecution find their own logical process through the judicial protocol that we have. I don't think anybody is denying, the Supreme Court is not denying that there is an off-kilter, lopsided 95% of the cases being targeted at the opposition. I think this government has been sui generis in the way it has weaponized institutions of investigation to target the opposition, and that is beyond dispute. And let me give you one simple example. You have a situation today in Maharashtra where I live, Rajdeep, where you have two leaders from the Congress who joined the BJP a couple of years ago, who publicly stated, "Ab hum BJP ko hum join kar liye hain, so now we can sleep peacefully at night." These are public statements of leaders who are now with the BJP. I mean, they openly talk to you about how the ED and CBI looks the other way. Why are we ignoring, you know, this great washing machine is not just some kind of a, you know, rhetoric or a hyperbole or a political joke. The truth is anybody who's joined the BJP is getting away scot-free despite daylight robbery.
No, but the Supreme Court, you see that, sir, Mr. Jha, that can be said in a television debate. But when you go before the Supreme Court, you will have to provide specific instances of and that individual will have to go. It cannot be, those individuals will have to go who believe that they have been unfairly dealt with. That you can't say washing machine to the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court will say, look, we are not involved in your politics. And that's exactly what happened.
So Rajdeep, the short answer is that this will be, have to be fought out. Can I finish, please? Yeah. This will have to be fought out both legally. I think it's a good thing that the opposition has managed to make this into a debate at a central level. The Supreme Court has not rubbished it. I think the petition has been withdrawn, and I think the opposition put it together because they were being collectively harassed. That's the short, brutal truth. The second point is very crucial. Where is, by the way, the Lokpal, which was supposed to become an independent CBI after the Congress passed the Lokpal Act in 2013? 10 years have gone. And you have a situation today under Mr. Modi's government. The CBI raids the CBI at the midnight hour. The CBI chief goes against the government to the Supreme Court. And the Supreme Court tells the government that your handling of the entire issue of the CBI chiefs is illegal. So this is a government with absolutely no credibility. It has no fountainhead. Nothing underpins its argument of transparent governance.
Okay.